The folks in Trentino Alto Adige love to pair meat with fruit. Quail stuffed with red wine plums. And this apple is part of that fruit addition that they love to serve with their meat. Let's finish off the stuffing. My Italian sausage is really crisped up nicely, along with some onions. And that makes a great foundation of flavour to this stuffing. Throw in the white cabbage, a little thyme, and because everything is diced so small, this takes no time at all to cook. A little light chicken broth, just to moisten things up. And my chicken stock will reduce, intensify in flavour, a gentle simmer, and it's onto the quail. All that stock is reduced down. It's all been absorbed by the onion, cabbage, sausage, and it's nice and cold, so I can stuff my quail. And with these quail, it's really important that they're nice and dry, because they can be a little slippery at times. There's over 100 types of species of quail out there. And of course, I got my butcher to debone this for me. Just took the backbone out, the rib cage, left the leg bones in, because it's much quicker and easier for him to do it. A little salt and pepper. Now it's about getting as much stuffing into this quail as you can. But the more you get in there, the better. And then to keep them all tied up, so I don't lose any of the stuffing, butcher's twine. Put my little stuffed quails onto the baking sheet. Light oiling. My quail are stuffed, all tied up. Now into a good hot oven. Poaching plums in wine and sugar is so simple and especially delicious with juniper berries and a little thyme. Look at those beautiful quail. How brown and roasted they all look. They do look tasty. And my plums, dark, rich red color, and so aromatic from the spices. Look at those. Now to take the string off the quail. And a lovely drop of that juice. Now let's see the stuffing all inside this quail. Look at all that lovely stuffing. And that dark, roasted meat of the quail. Succulent and moist. The savouriness from the stuffing, the sausage, the well-seasoned quail, and then that wonderful sharp acidity, but sweetness too from that plum.